Well, you know that I love history, but there's a limit for what I know. And if you'll take me back to the Second Temple time, First Temple time, Byzantine time, Roman time, whatever, I will know a lot. But this is my history. I saw those cars on the road many years ago, and now it's gone. Write a comment, then I will understand that you actually love it, but I can see mostly men here. I'm here, and might be surprised, I'm here with a kid, 10 years old, that knows all the cars by heart, and he brought me to here. I mean, this is beautiful. I think my father had something like that many years ago. Huh? But I'm not sure. Look at that. Oh, that's the car that my wife had many years ago, the Volkswagen. Oh, there's a lot of Volkswagens here. You can see the sign that said it's anti-car. In Hebrew, it's collective car. Then for some of you, it's very important. But this is Israel because of so many aspects, so many love, and this is part of it. I'm looking for Shalev, the 10 years old child that his father brought him to him, mainly because he loves those cars. I mean, this is beautiful. Chevy. There's even a smell of old cars. It's beautiful. Where is Shalev? I'm sure that you want to meet him. They usually comes to not only here, so many places. Once a week on Friday. Friday it's like your Saturday. I'm taking a video of all the cars that you will, I'm sure that some of you will actually look at it and say, that was my history. I want to have that car for myself. It's looked like brand new cars. It's looked like they built it yesterday, but they didn't. And there's so many rules about when you can drive it, how you can drive it, what you have to do to maintain it. So many rules, and I will add the rules into the description. Yeah, I can see the child. I'm not sure that he speaks English, but he knows how to read English. And I'm not sure that he will be able to speak with me, mainly because is in it. His brother Dror brings it to him. Wait, stop there. Hello, Shalev. Because of you, thanks to you, I'm here. I wanted to see it for so many years, and I must say it's beautiful. But what is the most beautiful car for you here?
I don't know.
You don't know because so many cars are beautiful? Then can you stop next to one car and tell me what is that car, for example? But look at me.
This
is? No, the name of the car. The name of the car, yeah.
Okay, this is a Porsche Carrera S.
Okay, show me one more car. Which is here. There are so many cars here. A car that talks to you, that you love. You love? What do you mean? No, I don't want to go so far. Here, I'm sure. Go, all right, let's go to see it. We are at the city of Ness, Ziona, south of Tel Aviv. Oh, Super B. What's that car? What's the name of that car? No, talk to me. Look at me. Yeah, look at me.
Dodge Charger SRT 8.
How many cars like that we have in Israel?
I don't know.
You don't know. Good. And wait, you mentioned a car, Super D, Supernova, Super something. Remember that we left the car, you said, a special car. You saw a special... Supra? Supra. Where's the Supra?
She was there, right? Or she left?
Oh, look at those two cars.
This is Plymouth.
Plymouth. This is drawer. It's a very regular neighborhood outside Tel Aviv. But today, I think the cars are more expensive than the apartments. All right, what's that car? No, you have to be very close to me.
This is a Toyota Supra.
Ah, this is the Supra. He was shouting through the car, Supra, Supra. And I said to myself, what is Supra for in Hebrew? Supra, it's a bad soup. Oh, this is the owner of the Supra.
זה הבעלים של הסופרה.
הוא ראה את המכונית מרחוק וצעק, סופרה! סופרה! אתה רוצה להיכנס? להסתכל? תתקן.
וואו.
תוציא מצלמה. Wow, he's going to... Wow, the owner of the car is amazing. Look at me. Whoa, can you hear the car? 10 years old child. We are taking pictures here. We are taking pictures of him, but he wants pictures from his camera. This is beautiful. Say thank you. Hey, חיבוק, a hug. You've been in the Supra. Wow, אולי תסגור...
מישהו נכנס או לסגור את הדלת?
Okay. I want you to speak about another car that you love.
לך תסתובב תחפש.
כי ראית, אנחנו מגיעים מוקדם מדי.
Hey, שם. All right.
נראה אם זה פתר את הבעיה לא, אם לא...
Some of the car things are older than me, and I'm 63 years old. Okay, what's that car? This is my, yeah. Talk to the camera.
Z3.
Yeah. Z3. Ah, you see, you know English. And, oh, look at the orange one. Escort. Ford Escort. Ford Escort.
I only heard of it, I never seen it.
No, I saw Ford Escort.
Really?
Yes. It was a very simple car. Look at the radio in it.
Vintage radio.
Wow. Is there one more car that you like?
יש עוד מכונית אחת שאתה אוהב שאתה רוצה להראות לנו? איזה?
Outside? Let's go outside. Yes. I will follow you. No, all right. What's that? Porsche. Wow. Look at that.
מדוע ולמה? אוקיי.
זה למה. עם המיסוי, עם הכל, אתה מגיע בכמעט 400.
Yes. Listen, the one car. מה זה? What's that? What's that car is? All right, you got the message. 10 years old child brought me to here. And this is another aspect. Maybe it's not the most important aspect as history aspect of Israel, but this is part of it, and it's beautiful to see it. Dan Shalev, thank you very much for bringing me here. Say hello to everyone. Say bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.